Welcome back, YouTube. Welcome to the Drama Experience. I'm Tay.
And it's your boy Dim.
And in the back we have, what's your name?
The princess.
Raya, the princess. She has a new intro this time. We are in Philadelphia.
You didn't just get here. Like...
No, we didn't just get here. But we here now.
Yeah.
And we're in Philadelphia. So we decided to take a road trip this weekend to Philadelphia to do some things with Raya. Summer is really coming to a close, and we had some activities we wanted to do with her before summer's over. My birthday is coming, y'all. And Dim and I have some plans, so we just wanted to make sure Raya got in all of her activities before we proceeded with my birthday celebration.
Even though this morning was just so hectic, I wish we could show y'all how hectic it was in this morning.
I would show y'all. He was sleeping. That's what he was doing.
But it's not only sleep though. But listen, it was hectic this morning. Raya didn't get her hair done, as y'all can see.
I still haven't done Raya's hair. It's just not gonna be done. Yeah, it's not done. But I'll fix it later. It's okay.
Yeah, but we're in Philly.
We're in Philly, and we have decided to come to Philly so that we can go to the Please Touch Museum, and then we're going to go to Sesame Place tomorrow, which is about 30 minutes outside of Philadelphia. Also, my friend is having a pool party at her house, so we're going to go to her pool party after Sesame Place, New Jersey. So we have so many
We got a booked weekend.
Yes, so many things to do, but we just pulled up. Like we said, we were really rushing this morning because we just had to pack, and we woke up late and it was just a lot going on.
It was a lot going on, but we got it done. We here. There's a lot of traffic too on our way here, yo.
Definitely.
Yeah, it was mad traffic on our way here. So we got here a little later than expected, but we here now, like always.
And we're about to go explore.
We're about to go explore. So catch you guys when we get into the Please Touch Museum, all right? And don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe too, man. We almost at 1,000 of subscribers. We almost there. We need y'all to keep telling a friend to tell a friend to tell a friend to tune into the Drama Experience. Catch ya guys. Look what Raya did here, bro. Like, she just made this whole thing a mess, bro. Look at this. Look, she getting her hair done outside of the car right now. What do you call this?
What?
Getting her hair done outside the car.
Express salon.
All right. Getting that done. I'm gonna try to clean this a little bit, cause this is crazy, bro. Like, this is ridiculous. You ready to go play, mama? Yo, she not even answering me.
Oh yeah.
You said what? You ready to go play? You ready, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. All right, come on. Let's go. Wait, where you going? It's this way. Yeah, it's this way. Wait for daddy and mommy. But she is excited and ready to go.
Come on.
She telling me, come on. Yeah, we're gonna start with this side right here. What red car are you talking about? You wanna go to the red car?
She on a mission. Look at her hands.
Yeah, she ready to go.
Oh my God, Raya.
Okay. Oh, she's gonna be running around.
Thank you. Why don't you? Sorry, Raya. Oh wow, you got good.
So we're done with the Please Touch Museum. I ain't gonna lie, I was impressed by that museum. That museum was dope. They had so much different things that y'all can see in the video. Raya was running everywhere. Like, I couldn't keep up with her at some point. They had like a whole grocery store. where she could pick up our items and then scan them and pay for them.
Yes, they had all different types of credit, debit cards, checkout options.
Yo, it was crazy.
They had a bakery.
At a bakery.
A hospital, and the hospital wasn't just any type of hospital. They had X-rays, MRIs. It was crazy.
Please touch museum. Anybody that's in the Philly area or probably in the tri-state area, I could say, that want to go to the Please Touch Museum is dope. I recommend it, especially for the kids. You know what I mean? I think it's only really for the kids. It beat my expectations basically. It was more than I expected. We got a quick little suite.
Yes, this is the Prestige Suite at the Sofitel, so we can show y'all a little bit of what it looks like. Let me move over here. I booked the suite because we just need the space when we're traveling, especially with Raya.
All the time, we always need the space, you know what I mean?
Say hi. What? Let's ask her, what's your name?
You didn't say princess
this time.
Ain't the princess, but yeah, you got a little living room area for us. Dope.
Let's do this.
This place is very spacious, just looking at it now.
Yeah.
Like it has a lot of space.
It has a lot of space.
Yeah, the bedroom is the bed is mad comfortable too.
It's soft, you can see clearly he laid down.
Yeah, I laid down. Closet area is huge. This whole is huge.
Yeah, we have a lot of space.
Yeah, we have a lot of space. And the bathroom is dope too. The bathroom is huge.
I like the bathroom.
Yeah, it's huge. It's very nice. Yup.
Double sink, we need a double sink.
Yeah, always need double sink. So we came in the hotel and they gave Raya gave Raya some slippers,
a
coloring book, soap, and she got her own little robe. We taking this with us. I'm pretty sure this for us, right?
No, this is not.
We can't take this?
You're not supposed to, I don't think.
They gave it to us, so we're taking this with us. She got a lotion, a shampoo,
and a shower gel.
And a shower gel. Yeah, I think they like the way we pulled up. I feel like they didn't have to do all this.
Yeah, they gave us all this nice stuff. They were very, very nice.
They were very nice.
Last but not least, this mini bar here is
it's motion
sensor. If you touch it, it will charge you.
As soon as you touch it, it will charge you basically.
Yeah, even if you don't eat it. So you can't touch it unless you want it, you know?
They did tell us that they will give us like a regular fridge because we got this one. Look, just look at it.
And this is why we needed a suite.
Because she loves the space. The only thing I don't like is the carpeting. Like, I don't like the carpeting. It is what it is though. It's still good though. You know what I mean?
So, we're here, we're settling. We're going to relax a little bit and then we're gonna get dinner. One of my best friends actually lives in Philly, so I may be meeting up with her later on today for dinner. We don't know yet, but
we don't know where we're going for dinner.
We're gonna eat dinner and relax. So
yeah,
I'm about
we're
to
just relax
and watch Suits on Netflix.
Oh my God. We're gonna relax and get ready for dinner. Dinner should be real soon, so it's gonna be a quick little relax.
And it's not really get ready because I'm wearing this.
Yeah, I'm wearing this too.
This is it.
Yeah.
So in the morning we wake up and we're going to have breakfast and go to Sesame Place, which is about 45 minutes away from here.
Yep. What time are you trying to go?
Early.
Early. All right. So
early.
Yeah.
Mr. Late. Catch you at dinner. So we are going to dinner. It's actually 8 o'clock, and we're eating dinner at.
It's almost spelled like
Raya. Soraya.
I feel like
they said like Shoraya.
Yeah, they were like Soraya.
Shoraya.
This is something else.
It's like a Lebanese Mediterranean type of restaurant.
Yeah.
And we have a tasting menu, and my best friend Letice is going to join us for dinner.
I heard the branzino's really good, so I'm gonna try the branzino.
We love
what?
Oh. Okay, Mama, let's go inside. So we're here at Raya, and we're with Leslie and Raya.
Yeah, she's ready.
I don't know what it is that we got, but I think it's gonna be really good. I know that I got lamb. Always touching somebody's stuff. I know I got lamb. Dempo and T's got branzino. And the appetizers, they have a tasting menu, so they gotta break out a few. And then we got hot appetizers. I got cauliflower, she got potatoes, and Dempo got chickpeas.
Why did you get your feet?
I thought she said chicken. I thought it was chicken. No, I didn't order it. She told me, she said, this is really good. And she said, I heard chicken.
And also,
I'll try it.
I'm a sparkling water type of girl. I love sparkling water, and this Saratoga is like really
Yeah,
good.
Saratoga.
But I drink a lot of seltzer and sparkling water.
All I do. That's all I buy.
LaCroix, right?
I try a bunch of different brands though because I like them. So I
Bubbly, LaCroix. The food is here, and we have like a lot of stuff here.
Yeah.
This is the chickpeas
It's
that he
chickpea,
ordered.
but it looks good though. I'm gonna try it.
let you know.
Yeah, we all want to know.
Wait, hold on. I'm getting a little bit. It's fine. I'm gonna go for something else. It's not bad though.
That they have here, and then that's roasted potatoes. That's the cauliflower I ordered. This is her side because Latif is gluten free. Glutton. And then this is just a whole bunch of different hummus over here that we're trying.
Ryan just eating
And
that
Ryan
bread.
is just busting down the paper. Yeah, get it, girl. Get it, girl. Oh, yeah. The appetizers were.
Amazing.
This is my lamb, y'all.
Yep.
And this is the branzino.
Branzino, some rice.
Do we want a little?
There's some rice on the side. Ryan is already has taken ownership of mine. Cause you're a grown girl and I understand.
Branzino.
Happy birthday!
Happy birthday.
Good morning.
Yup, we outside.
So we are on our way to Sesame Place. We're about 3 minutes away. The ride wasn't bad. I think, how long was it? A 30-minute drive?
Yeah, from our hotel.
From our hotel. So we are almost here. I didn't know Sesame Place was a big thing. So it sounds like this place can get really, really crowded. So yesterday I took the chance on it and I bought some Abby Cadabby magic passes, which is kind of like the fast track, or I don't know what they call them, flash passes at Six Flags, those type of wristbands that allow you to skip the line. A stroller, I rented a stroller because I forgot that. And I also got preferred parking so that we don't have to walk a mile. Yo, the park opened 13 minutes ago. It's mad people here. So excuse all this stuff on our car. My smoothie exploded. And it got all over the whole place. In the meantime, in between time, let me get my tickets ready because the park is parking, okay? There's a lot of people. We are at the park, and when I tell you the line is long, look at all these people.
Extremely long.
Oh, it's only 10:30. The park only opened 30 minutes ago. We got here at like 10:11. So if you're coming to Sesame Place, you need to be like at 9 waiting for them to open up the gates on this bad boy. But the line is moving really quickly. We just need to make sure we get our Abby Cadabby passes in the stroller. The Abby Cadabby passes, hopefully a lot of people don't have them because they were expensive. They actually cost more than the ticket itself to get in the park. So I'm hoping that that will give us early access to the rides or easy access to the rides because we're not intending to stay here very long. And also Raya is little, so I'm interested to see how many rides this girl could actually get on. But let me tell you, I hear people screaming on the roller coaster, so that means that folks are already inside. We can't bring our tripod in the park, so we're waiting for Dim to come back because we don't want to go in without him. In the meantime, I think I'm gonna just put some cream on her and call it the day.
They gave us a sesame stroller, right? Because we forgot ours.
They have an app that I downloaded before we came,
Is it like a map?
and the map is on here somehow.
This place is huge though. Sesame Island.
Right, look at mommy. So, are you happy? Look at mommy. Ryan, look at mommy. Oh, you're happy. You are happy. Look at me, Ryan. Say cheese. You need to get bigger so daddy could get on these rides with you because mommy don't like it. Mommy's scared.
No, mommy, you have to wait.
I'm scared.
Scared?
Yeah, I don't want to get on. I want to get off. Daddy's over there.
Daddy.
That's what happens when daddy's 6 foot something and mommy's 5 foot something, right? But no, this Abby Kadabi magic bracelet is wonderful because the lines are very long and we've been able to just like get in VIP.